Alright, this is the 3-block problem. There's going to be one similar to this on your assignment. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to treat this whole mess of 3 blocks as one big block. And in this case I have a force that's pushing on it, and because of the way the blocks are, we really don't like to have things pointing toward the object. This would like to be over here, but because of the way this is set up, that's why it's that way. So first thing I want to find is find my total mass. So I'm going to add the 3 blocks up. Alright, and that should be 9 kilograms. And I know that F equals ma. So the only force that I have, there is no friction, so the only force in the horizontal direction is this 8.20 newtons, and my mass is 9, so I'm going to find my acceleration. So when I divide those, I get 0.911 meters per second squared. Alright, now what the problem asks me to find is what the force is of block 3 pushing on block 2, and they also want me to find the force of block 1 pushing on block 2. Okay, so first I'm going to look at my free body diagrams. Alright, so I'm only interested in the horizontal direction because these are sitting on a table and being pushed, so vertically they're not doing anything. So on this 1.2 block, I have an applied force, which is this 8.20 newtons, and I also have a force of block 2 pushing on that block 1. And I know that F net equals ma, and I also know that F net is equal to the applied force minus 2 pushing on 1. And there are too many variables for me to find there. Actually, no, we can find all these. So if F net equals ma and F net is this, then ma is equal to the applied force minus 2 pushing on 1. My mass of block 1 is 1.20. My acceleration of block 1 is the same as all 3 of them. The applied force is 8.20, and I can find 2 pushing on 1. Okay, so 2 is pushing on block 1 with a force of 7.11 newtons. And that also means that block 1 is pushing on 2 with the same force. So 2 pushing on 1 or 1 pushing on 2 is going to be the same, just a different direction. Alright, the other one I needed to find is this one over here, and so I'm going to look at block 3. And in this case, I have block 2 pushing on block 3, and I don't have any other forces because there isn't any friction. Okay, so F net is ma and F net is my picture, which means ma is equal to the force of 2 on 3. My mass is 4.5, my acceleration is still 0.911, and that's going to tell me what that force is. And block 3 is pushing, this is 2 pushing on 3. 3 is pushing on 2 with the same amount because of Newton's third law. And I could make a picture here if I wanted to find out, you know, more of the forces, but this is all that we needed to find.